Masulti tayo ngayon dito sa Baguio dahil dumating ang ating angel, so to speak. Siya po ang katibayan natin na magbibigay ng grasya tungkol sa mga self-employment program, livelihood program, union na sa kanya lahat. This is the most trusted cabinet member of our kaya palagay ko, Baguio City, really the highest city in the Philippines, siguro it is reflected to be also the highest priority of all cities in all the Philippines. Because salamat po madam for being with us. As well as the newly appointed director of DSWD here in the always done, Leo Reynoso. Charming assistant regional director Lilias. You are senior citizens, pero you are still very helpful sa ating community. Ipagtuloy natin ito. As long as I am your congressman, Mayor Gumugan is there, we will work hand in hand with our officials here, especially Bibi Fangasan. Siya rin yung implementing arm ng ating secretary. Kaya makahingi tayo more funding from our Madam Secretary of DSWD. Parang marami tayong hanap buhay sa lusod ng Baguio. Nandito pati si Presidential Sister, His Excellency President Secretary. Maraming baon na binibigay dyan sa mga programa niya. Kaya maanggihan naman tayo ng Baguio. Kaya huwag kayong mag-aalala, magkasal kayo, na magkaisa tayo, magtulong-tulungan tayo, tulungan natin sila. Parang number one na priority ang lungsod ng Baguio. We always pray for the success of your program, for the success of the program of His Excellency the President of the Philippines. Magkaisa-isa kami dito. Tutulong kami sa inyong programa. I am sure you will succeed here in Baguio City, in all your programs, in all your undertakings, especially in Cordillera Administrative Region. Salamat po yung pagdating mo.
The Honorable Congressman Vergara, our partner in many of the development projects that we are doing here in Baguio City. To our partner, our legs and arms as we call them, the City Social Welfare and Development Officer in Pangasan, my colleague, Director Leo and Director Bing, and other colleagues from DSWD. Kayo po mga what I call pillars of society because you give your time, your energy, your talent to help the community develop. A very pleasant good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I would like to congratulate each and every one of you for the time and the energy that you have put in so that the different projects under the Self-Employment Assistance Program can come to life. I know that before coming in with the funds, there must have been a number of meetings, there must have been so many planning sessions, there must have been so many discussions looking at what would work, what is important for the community, what will be useful for the constituencies that you want to serve, what is workable given the circumstance and the work that each of you are doing. Because we recognize and we realize, as the President always says, we cannot do good governance alone.
This afternoon, we are going to extend the financial assistance or livelihood assistance of our different organizations here in the city of Baguio who had undergone non-profit organizations, and they have their own clients within their organization, and they are the beneficiaries of this livelihood assistance that they are getting this afternoon. Actually, they are actually our conduit. So if you can see, ma'am, hindi sila mukhang pantagpaniya. They are really the NGOs or private organizations that are also assisting clients within the community, like sa barangay and sa market. So,
Amount is 30,000 pesos. Next is Volunteer Aviation and Sanidumay Organization, headed by Miss Dorothy Marsan. 30,000 pesos still.